Basic layout for the rear brake. I'm going to put a steel braided line in here. Have new piston, etc. for here. Rebuild kit for here. So you need a 5 and a 6 millimeter. Okay, then this cup is almost ready to come out anyhow because the brake pads were worn out. You got this clip here. Okay. There's 2 of those clips. Forget that. Just showed you one. I'll show you 2. So when you get your dirty thing apart, it'll look like that. There's 2 O-rings in there. There's one near the top. Okay. Old dirty piston. So if you don't have a hone, I'll take a socket, wrap a piece of 600 around it and scuff it up. So that's your options. So I run that thing for maybe a second, not even 2 seconds, just to knock the glaze off. Okay. So that top one can twist when you're putting it in, so make sure there's no twist in it. So it's pressed in okay. You want to use a twisting motion, not just a straight in motion. So, making progress. So, that's what the clip looks like. I just spent a half an hour trying to figure that out, even though I've got video. I just couldn't see it. So that's how the one clip looks inside the caliper. And then you got this other clip here. Huh? Move that around so you can see it. That's how it goes in. It's pretty obvious. I just spent an hour on that clip. Yes. Okay, on we move. So you'll have something like that when you're done.